Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Ian and Derrick. We're gonna make a mint julep. We haven't done this since like a long time.
It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a hot minute if we've ever done one at all. I think maybe
we've done one.
Yeah, years ago. I always wanted to do it for that horse racing event.
The Kentucky Derby.
Never happens.
Doing this year.
Oh, that doesn't help.
Too many horses are dying.
Oh,
What? They didn't do the Kentucky Derby this year?
They're not doing it.
because horses are dying.
I think, yeah.
Are they
Thought
old
I saw
horses?
a headline for that.
Oh, interesting.
In either case, I haven't done this. I was waiting for the Kentucky Derby to get the timing right, but at the end of the day, it doesn't seem like a lot of people are on YouTube anymore, so whatever. So we'll just make it now and not worry about promoting it. So fuck the algorithm. Yeah, that's a new thing. Fuck the algorithm.
There you go.
I probably didn't invent that. The algorithm doesn't like me very much. So
Well, the algorithm fucks you.
yeah. So
In Russia, you don't fuck algorithm. Algorithm fucks you.
there you go.
Yeah.
This recipe is slightly more unique than the mint julep I have out on recipe.awesomedrinks.com. Oh no, missing on recipe.awesomedrinks.com. I don't have one, so this will go there. 8 mint leaves, a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of bourbon. You can do a mint sprig. I think this from liquor.com if I don't forget. I like this concept. It was
to kill the mint even. Because you just want to.
Don't tear the shit out of it.
Yeah, you don't want to grind it up. You just want to express the oils.
And the thing that I kind of wanted to try was this whole Angostura on top of the ice at the end. I've never seen that done before, but why wouldn't you?
Why not?
Sounds like a good time.
I'll
Our executive producers, I forgot these last episode. NCC 71201 from YouTube. He's one of those people who.
That's from Deep Space Nine.
Yeah. Matthew, I was going to say Prometheus, whatever, but Matthew Mason. Yes. Matthew Mason, Patreon, and Matthew Hill, Patreon. A couple double matches from the Patreon. You can get patreon.com/CMC if you want to become a patron. I know you won't, but I'm just going to throw it out there anyway. You can hit the subscribe button on YouTube if you're there, which I guess you have to be because the only place have been put in nowadays. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take the whiskey, you're going to muddle mint, sugar. Well, you muddle mint, usually with sugar. That's the typical thing.
Right.
Then you add your whiskey in there. Then you're going to bury the sucker with ice. You're just going to pack it in there. We probably won't maybe have enough crushed ice in there. I don't know.
No, it's like it's not all coming out the way I want it to come out. It's like
How does
sticking
you
to the
want it
side.
to come out?
He wants it to actually come out.
You want it to come out into the glass?
Yeah, not like on the side of the glass like it's happening.
Yeah.
All right, that's probably going to have to be enough.
Yeah. If you want to make the whiskey, if you want to make the mint julep like in the most obnoxious manner, you do it very similar to you would do
Like what I'm doing.
a tiki cocktail. You freeze that shit in there like that. You give it a stir, and that's going to really chill it up super hard. Then you add crushed ice to the top and make a ball out of it. And you just pack it in there like a snowball, like a Slurpee. For those that have 7-Elevens.
That what was that tiki drink we did with the cone?
Oh, yeah,
That would have been cool for this.
that was really cool.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, Navy Grog, I believe.
Yeah, the Navy Grog.
Yeah. You're pedantically really going at that thing.
Yeah, I want to get it nice and even.
Mm.
And then we're going to top it with
Some Angostura.
a lot? Just
Some.
a couple dashes?
Sure. Why not?
Probably
That's
enough.
pretty good. Yeah. You can almost see. Yeah, you can even see it in there. That looks pretty badass.
Yeah. This is going to be a great shot.
Yeah, it's not much of a picture right there. But
Here, watch this. This is my screenshot. There. Something like that. And I can put that one there and I'll get a side view, edit it together.
Yes, look at all that stuff you can do.
Yeah. We have a straw.
Do you have your fast shoes on?
That's a really big straw. There's a small one in there. You think that's going to be better for this small? Oh, there's that one. Hey. Oh, you packed it good when it stands up
That's
like
right.
that.
It's a well-packed glass. That sounds...
It's just too small.
Is it?
Yeah, it
It'll
doesn't
make your
work.
drink last.
No, it's not. There's a lot of work. That's a really...
Yeah, but this is a strong drink, and if you drink it too
I
fast...
had one sip and my eyes were watering.
I thought you were laughing because I was talking about packing glass.
No,
Okay, because, yeah.
because that's also funny. See,
And maybe... Yeah.
what I was talking about was something more like this.
Oh, well, there we go.
See, now that glass is great for like daiquiris. No, I don't even know. I don't know what you do with that. Oh God, this doesn't work either.
Is it 'cause of the
You
ice?
just have to drink it without the straw.
But it's tasty. What we can actually get out of it. There you go.
Oh, cool.
Alcohol slushy.
Oh, yeah, that's freaking potent. That shit's on fire.
What proof is this?
100 proof.
It's strong.
It is. It's but
Well,
we've
when you
done-
figure this is a drink that's just basically bourbon, mint flavored bourbon,
yeah.
right?
No, there's some sugar.
It's mint flavored bourbon.
there's a little tiny bit in it. This is really cold. Like
Yeah.
you look at it, you can see it like icing up on the edges.
It's like the mule cups, right? They're designed to. Yeah.
It's definitely strong. It's gonna water down a little bit when the ice kind of comes into its maturity.
I think it hits a sweet spot once it dilutes down a bit.
Yeah.
These cocktails, I've had juleps a few times. I feel like they
They
get
better
good.
as
They get
age.
better.
Yeah, they get better with because the problem is if you use a weaker bourbon with all that ice, crushed ice dilutes fast. So here maybe not, but if you're outside or you're hanging out by the
Oh, yeah.
pool, it's gonna cut the 50 or the 100 proof down to something a little bit more manageable. Even if it takes it down 10%, it's gonna make it more like a regular drink.
Mm.
Gonna be a lot easier. But it's definitely got a mint to it, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I like that part.
The mint?
Mhm.
Is that like mint?
Um,
I don't know if this whiskey goes well with the mint. Maybe that's what it is.
yeah, maybe.
No, it's getting better.
Yeah, because
It's definitely getting better.
it's gonna dilute it down to like that glass isn't gonna dilute very easy because
It's already at maximum dilution because it's freezing.
yeah, but it'll get there. So I don't know what use your I guess your favorite bourbon, but I think each bourbon is gonna be different. I feel like I'm gonna say it the cheaper bourbons like a Buffalo Trace or something because it's gonna be like super oaky.
Yeah.
And it's kind of
Could be
weak,
good,
a little weaker. Might be fun, but you're gonna need to drink it fast. Which I don't know if you really want to do. I like to savor the drinks a little bit more. I just don't know about the mint. Like,
Are you not a fan of mint in general, or just
no, I think it's because when I taste mint in my cocktail, I think more of a sweeter rum type drink.
Okay.
And this has like that bourbon intensity and then like an herbalness. I almost get like absinthe from it. Like not black licorice, but like the palate,
I know what
the
you mean,
taste
yeah.
profile has like the herbally absinthe like bite to it. And I think that might just be attributed to like the potency and the herbs hitting at the same time.
Yeah.
No,
I think you're
I don't know.
right. It's not. I mean, I like that house of frap too. That's pretty good. But
Yeah, it is getting better.
yeah, just
Interesting.
maybe it's a good drink for when it's hot outside because
Yeah.
the cup holds that cold so well.
You'll be able to drink it like a Slurpee for a little bit longer.
Yeah. But you need it to.
Then
You
you
need
gotta
to
be-
dilute a little bit. Yeah.
Scooping it out. So there you go. You don't need a Kentucky Derby. It's too many dead horses anyway. What you really want to do is just get your favorite bourbons and your mints, and your sugars, mix them together, and you can even buy fancy glasses like that if you care. You can throw it in anything.
You could use a Moscow Mule mug.
You could.
Multi-purpose that.
You should because they're usually, if you're gonna spend the money, especially on a good one,
They're not cheap.
no, then
Yeah.
because it's copper.
Yeah.
If you get a real copper like Moscow Mule mug, you can get these in copper too.
Mm-hmm.
Like I've seen them. Like this mug, I used to sell this mug, but nobody buys them because it's so specialty.
Right.
I'm like, I just think old fashioned glass.
Right.
But if you go to Amazon, I'm sure you can find one. But I would instead check out AwesomeDrinks.com. Oh, I have a coupon code. I don't know what it is. It's spring. Is it spring? I'll put it on the sidebar, but I think it's spring 23 for 23% off at AwesomeDrinks.com. So you got that going for you. I'll write it on my thing next time.
If you're doing this for another 50 years, you're gonna be taking some steep discounts off, aren't you?
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
That's the 23.
Hmm.
No, I just don't care. Yeah, and you can get some cocktail bitters there. I punch them on sale from Scrappy's Bitters.
It's perfect now.
So there you go. Make yourself a drink. Sidebar.
Right.
More videos all about bourbons.
This is the drink to make yourself before you make everybody else's drink, so it can settle, and then you get to it, and it's just perfect.
That's right. Oh yeah, we'll teach you how to drink.